To send cryptocurrency via Coinbase. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on the website or mobile app. Ensure you have a verified account and sufficient funds to make a transaction. First, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Send tab. Then select the type of cryptocurrency you want to send, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address, which can be found in their Coinbase account or cryptocurrency wallet. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending cryptocurrency to the wrong person, as transactions are irreversible. You can also add a note or description to the transaction for your records. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, either in cryptocurrency units or your local currency. Coinbase will display the transaction details, including the amount, fees, and total cost. Review the transaction carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transaction. Depending on the type of cryptocurrency and network congestion, the transaction may take a few minutes to several hours to process. It is essential to be aware of the transaction fees associated with sending cryptocurrency, as they can vary depending on the network and Coinbase fees. To minimize fees, consider sending cryptocurrency during off-peak hours or using a lower-fee cryptocurrency. Finally, once the transaction is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation notification, and the recipient will receive the cryptocurrency in their account. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency transactions are permanent, so always double-check the recipient's address and transaction details before confirming. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send cryptocurrency via Coinbase. Always prioritize security and caution when handling cryptocurrency transactions to avoid any potential issues or losses.